Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of jump button on the application of Strava. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Strava app and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache, and as you see here you will turn on your airplane mode, then you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.